Hey, hello everyone, how to delete version history in Google Sheet. So let's start. Go to the File tab and click on the version history option. Then click on the See version history, and right hand side you can see the version history of this current document. To delete this version history, just go back and in current document go to the File tab and click on the Make a copy of this current document. Just click on it, and here the one dialog box is open, Copy Document. And click on the Make a copy, and here you can see copy of this ABC spreadsheet is created. Now just close this original document. I just close this and click on the Sheets icon, Sheets Home here, and here in Google Spreadsheet I just remove original ABC spreadsheet. Just click on the three dot and click on the remove. Click on the move to trash, and now I open the copy of the ABC spreadsheet, and here I go to the File tab, then click on the version history, click on the File tab and click on the version history, and click on the See version history, and here right hand side you can see the last version history is deleted. So that's it. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you.